Good morning, viewers. Once again, welcome to Bruno Aluminium and Stainless Work. We are here this morning at Kotoku, Switzerland. I don't know if some people know that. So this morning I came to install the shower sliding doors. As you can see, here is the aluminium shower sliding door. Here is how it's moved. This is the handle. You can just shift it, and that's all. You have your instruments. Though the place is small, but I managed to install it. Yeah, and it works like that. I'll show you the rest. I also installed the frameless one, the 10 mm tapered frameless one. Is at the master bedroom. I'll show it right now. Yeah, right here is the second one. This is the second door I installed for the shower room. You can see. Then you take your shower. As for the glass, you can use any color you want. Blue, black, plain, anyone you want. And right here is the master bedroom. This is what I just did. This is frameless tempered glass, 10 mm. The sliding door, you can see it clearly. This is how it moves. You can just slide it. This is the bigger place, so you have your space here. 10 mm tempered shower glass. Yeah, this is the sliding one. We have the open ones. You have the open ones too. Yeah. So this one is the sliding one, and you have the stainless handle. As you can see, very neat. The mirror touch here. So this is what I came this morning to install at Kotoku, Switzerland, right here. So if you need some of our service, my number is 0555 68 8184. 0555 68 8184. You can contact me for all work. The stainless barrister, the bug-proof aluminium windows, the frameless tempered glass barrister, and everything. Just contact me for the quality and the best work. Thank you.
So that's Bruno for you, for all your aluminium works, your balustrades, your windows, every glass work. Bruno is the guy for you. That is number on the screen. You can get in touch with him and then you discuss, and anything that you want, I'm sure Bruno can be of help to you. So thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my ass.